Hello and welcome to today's episode of TSARP. Our special guest today is Sam.
Hi, how are you?
I hope they're good because they're listening to the best podcast on earth. Okay, that's probably not true. So, today we're going to be doing a few things. First, we're going to give tips and tricks for keeping your games less laggy. And then at the end, you will watch me play a game that I am good at, unlike many. Um, a game where you have to guess what coding language it is just by looking at the code. So it's fun. So first up, Sam, do you want to give a tip?
Of course. Thank you, Andrew. So my first tip of the day is to use variables. Don't use too many because that's messy, but make sure to use variables because they're important.
I didn't.
Like Andrew is demonstrating right now.
I totally didn't misspell variable.
Nope.
Yay. Also, I recommend that you delete the my variable or rename it to a variable you're going to use, like score or something. It's just useless, and it takes up space and lag, and it's not good. So.
I mean, it doesn't really lag, but okay.
It does lag. You don't know. Also.
Yeah, I do.
Also, try to use lists, like list. And then
Lists are often quite helpful.
Like, instead of having multiple variables, you can just have indexes in the list. Now, that won't work for what you need all the time, but it could, and it would save a lot of lag. So, yeah. My tip is use broadcasting, okay? Because not just if you have two variables, or two sprites, I should say, and you need to communicate between them, but also if it decreases on lag, instead of having, like what I did a while ago before I knew what broadcasting was, like last year, I would use variables, which we just said too many of them could create lag. I would have one turn on, like set to true, if I wanted the other one to do something. Don't do that. Just use broadcasting. It's simpler, cleaner, and less laggy. So, Sam, your final tip?
Yes. My final tip is to use custom blocks. They can be very helpful if you have very long scripts and you want to straighten up your code, or if you want to do very simple tasks or very hard tasks very often.
Yes, so also I recommend to use run without screen refresh. That will save on lag too. And then you can just create the custom block, run it whenever you want.
Technically, it doesn't save on lag, but run without screen refresh does only work in one tick. If you use a different thing, it doesn't. How many ticks blocks there are. So.
Interesting. So,
Yeah.
that's a custom block in action. Wait. It goes
yeah, you can do that.
Oh,
it does.
Wow. Oh, by the way, that's called a recursive function. That's some fancy
Yeah.
language. You learn about that
Or,
if you do Python.
as some people say, a loop in a loop.
No, I think they call them recursive functions, but, you know.
Oh, I call them a loop in a loop. Make sure to use the loop in the loop. It sounds like poop in the poop, but it's actually loop in the loop.
Oh my god. Wait, I thought of something.
What?
Wait, okay.
Oh, yeah, that works, yeah.
This is on a tangent. You ready? But to save on lag, you can make your own forever loop. Okay? Let's get rid of this.
Yeah, that actually does work.
Forever.
But, I mean, forever loops are less laggy.
I bet they're not.
They are.
Okay. And now, I can have him say hello forever just by calling, if I can find it, the forever.
Oh no, just you change X by 1 so you can see it in action.
I guess. No, I'm gonna make him turn. There you go. Forever.
Wow.
And
I have one fun bonus tip.
Yes.
So if you make a custom block, run without screen refresh, and then you press wait 1 second, and then put the custom block in there again, it will do very bad things.
That's why I will not do it.
But you
So,
can show it, so please show it right now. Thanks.
no. So, wait, what was your tip?
So put a 1 second block right under the broadcast,
Uh-oh.
and then put a 1 second block. A 1 second block. That's in control. There we go. No, that's no. I undo the forever loop.
Yay! So, vote for me in the in brackets. I'm winning by how much?
So
By
allow it.
by 6. I can do math. If you don't know what the in brackets is, it's just a thing we do in Hopog. You can't enter if you're not in Hopog, but it's just a game jam
Imagine.
in the style of a tournament. But you can vote if you're not in Hopog, so I will leave the link below if you're from Syosset or Mineola, the two worst.
I'm kidding. Kidding.
So yeah, you can do that, but you can't enter. So for our final
Womp
segment,
womp.
I will be playing Guess the Coding Language. One of the most fun games. I don't think that's true, but okay. So you will see my wonder in action. So this is how I know it's JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript spells out function to make functions, and they use var as variables. Also, they do this for ifs, but that's how you do ifs in multiple languages. So I'm gonna go JavaScript. Correct. Okay. Echo is how you
So fun.
print. Echo is how you print in shell, so I know that. Um, It said .js up here, so I know it's JavaScript. Um, this is an interesting one. I would probably go JavaScript again. Yeah. No, I was wrong. Solidarity. Oh, I should have known that. Said that up here. Okay. Okay, 2 more tries. I get 2 more. Okay, shell, because it said echo. Um, not Python. Python's not down here. Oh, puts is Ruby. See, it's another. I think you can also print by doing print. No, I don't think so. I think it's just puts. But local if. I would go Lua. Yeah. Okay. Um, I focus a lot when I play this game. Local makes me want to think Lua again, and end is a Lua thing. Oh, and then is also a Lua thing. Package would make me go Kotlin. Oh no, but they wouldn't do this stuff here. Oh, this is Java, because system.out.print ln is Java. Um, this is a hard one. It's not CSS.
That's quite a hard one.
That's for sure. Oh, this looks exactly. Oh, you know what? I think it's Go. Go kind of looks like JavaScript. No,
Let's go.
C#. Man. Okay, I get one more chance. Okay, my high score
The
is like
pressure's
600.
on. 27 people are watching you.
Oh my gosh, 27. Swift. This is C++. I know, because hashtag include is how they import from my one day of doing C++. Import. Oh, .dart is Dart. CSS. JavaScript, because it's getting a HTML element and it's using const. Dart. Yeah. Python. CSS. It says CSS and it's just CSS is very recognizable. Dart. Oh, this is a hard one. I feel like I had this piece of code while playing earlier. It's not shell. Could be Kotlin. Oh, I think it is Kotlin because it has func. Func. Yeah, I think it's Kotlin. No, Go. Okay. Well, I tried. I almost got to 650, but I didn't. Well, I will leave the link so you can play this game down below. It's fun. I'm playing, but not to beat my high score, so don't say I tried more than once. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we will, not watching, listening, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.